So guys, welcome back to another episode. Yesterday I literally didn't make any videos and I've had so many people in the comment section telling me I'm unsubscribing, dislike, unsub, and of course I'm just here like, I just had one day off, right? The markets were shut and I just thought there was no point in making a video. And I was so tired, I'm so tired now, but you know what? If I don't make the videos, who's gonna make them? So of course, tonight we are back looking at APXT and of course how it has been moving basically today, and of course giving our forecast based on that, and basically just a quick reaction to that. So if you do want to see our full in-depth analysis that was out on Saturday and Sunday, the Sunday one included a forecast into this week, and the Saturday one was a more in-depth look at what the company does, so feel free to go back and watch them. But in this one we are just having a look at how the price has reacted on the market today. If it sounds like a good plan for an episode, guys, please do leave a like and subscribe, it doesn't go missed. And of course, on top of that, if you do want to join us on the join button, you can. And of course, if you want to come talk to us on Discord, link to the Discord is in the description. With that being said, I'm not a financial advisor and we are going to jump straight into the episode. Not wasting any more time, looking over the past 5 days, we can see that APXT has actually been rallying up until about the 14th of January, which is of course this month. In that period, we were seeing gains over 6%, if we do actually count in that small increase there that I didn't count in, unfortunately. But we can see that, yeah, it's about 10% up we are right now, so things really not looking too bad. However, from that date, we did unfortunately sell off a little bit, which took us down 8.6%. Overall, on the past 5 days, we can see we are up a very small amount at 0.25%. So of course today was actually slightly negative and that has helped to pull us down a bit, unfortunately. And looking at this one over the past month, we can see that the last, well, basically from about the 8th of January up until now, is providing some very volatile times. Obviously we saw a big increase in the shares price as that initial news of the merger actually was announced, i.e. the date, and of course from there we did actually go up a little bit more before selling off over the last two market days. So of course not really unexpected in my opinion. Yes, we were going to see a bit of a sell-off in my personal view, and the reason for that is because yes, it is a good company. Yes, the fact that date has come out is very important, but when we look at this one realistically, guys, it went up an insane amount in a very short period of time, and often when that happens, almost always when that happens, unless there's a very justified reason, we do see a sell-off in the very next day or the days following. Now obviously that is kind of what we are seeing here with this stock, and that is why I am not too concerned, because it kind of does make sense. Let's look at this one, guys. Obviously a lot of people did get in with the hype, or at least a lot of people who were already in as well. They were currently in the stock, and there is a message from our Discord if you want to join it. It's a lovely place. But yeah, a lot of people were in this stock and they did not see a lot of action for some time, and of course once they had that initial news, a lot of people did unfortunately sell out. However, for themselves they did catch a nice profit, so I'm very happy for them. However, the effect on the market is it did drop for a few days afterwards, and I think that is still what we are seeing right now. However, soon enough, in my opinion, maybe even tomorrow, and the reason why I say tomorrow is because we have been seeing that sell-off, like I said, for the last 2 days. However, over today, it is actually becoming a lot more flat, so maybe, hopefully tomorrow, we are going to see this one start to be back in the green, and if that is the case, I think we are on a good track for the rest of the week to also be positive. Because personally, I do think this is big news, which we have seen for the company, but realistically, guys, it has gone up extremely quickly, and of course it's gone up by a very large amount, so the fact it sold off is to be expected in my opinion. And of course, looking into the future, I can see this one definitely flattening out in 1 or 2 days, hopefully, and if that is the case, I think it will set us up for the mid part of the week to be in the green again, hopefully see a bit more of that growth. I'm not too sure how much I do expect to see. I definitely think that it is possible that we are going to make it around the $17 mark by the end of the week, and that would be a lovely thing to see. But overall, guys, right now, in my opinion, the current price, or at least a price in tomorrow, if we do start to level out, will be a decent opportunity to buy the dip in my personal view. And like I said, I am not a financial advisor, but the reason why I say that is because yes, it has been rallying up ever since that merger date was announced, but of course it was bound to sell off at some point. So that is just what we are seeing now. Overall though, I think the next few weeks are going to provide some very decent growth, and I am absolutely looking forward to that. So of course, if you enjoyed the video, guys, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.